How to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, then navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Disable for the option Wi-Fi, wait for a few minutes and then again enable it. Do the same for data as well. Head over to the option Data, enable for the option Cellular Data, wait for a few minutes and again disable it. Next, head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option iMessage. Make sure you have toggle on for the option iMessage. In case you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few minutes and again enable it. Likewise, make sure you have disabled for the option Filter Unknown Senders. Then you can head back, navigate to the option General, head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Now you'll need to connect to the VPN. In case you don't have VPN in your device, head over to App Store, download any of the VPN app, then connect to any of the server and you can try to send the code. With this solution, you'll be good to go. Now you'll be getting verification code from WhatsApp on your iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.